having my Jeffree Star moment. Can you guys hear the fizz? So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today's video is going to be a Q&A and a get ready with me. So the Q&A questions are coming from my Instagram. If you don't follow me there, what are you doing? So this is my Instagram page. You can follow me there if you want to participate in the upcoming giveaway that I'm going to gift you guys in the month of October. So I'm going to talk more about the giveaway, but today I'm going to try out some new products that I recently bought, and yeah, it should be a fun video. So not all of these products are going to be new. So the old ones that I'm using, like this POREfessional from Benefit, I'm just going to leave a link to them down in the description box below so you can check them out. I'm only going to say out loud the new product because that will save the time. So for primer, I'm using this. See, I already started a tutorial. Anyway, I'm priming my face. So let's just talk about the giveaway first. I have a glitter on my face. Initially, I did tell you guys, it was a very random decision. So I ended up telling you guys that ask me a question and you win a giveaway. But here's the tea. I bought all the products that I want to gift you guys and they are here. So the official giveaway announcement is still not done. And I'm still thinking there should be one, or like there should be either one winner or two winners. I'm not sure. But yes, I'm deciding on that. And so yeah, obviously the people who ask me questions for these video will be privileged in the giveaway and will hold a nice spot in the giveaway, because obviously I said that that is going to be all about it. And I feel like you guys will like the products that I got for you. And yeah, I really hope that you do. So now starting off with the questions. So before starting the first question, I'm going to take the foundation that I got. So I got this Faces mini foundation because I wanted to give you guys recommendations about like not so expensive foundations. So this one is actually for 199 rupees and I'm pretty sure I got the wrong shade. But we're gonna see how this works. It does not have any coverage. So the first question is how to lessen eye fatigue. Just because of this, in 23 years old, I look 10 years more down the line. Okay, so this is a very good question to ask me because I do suffer from like eye fatigue a lot and I can actually feel that. Because like completely my work depends on this thing that I either have to look at a monitor or a laptop screen. That is what I do 24/7. So I started using this eyes padding mask thing, and these are not really expensive. These are very inexpensive. So there's this silicone pad and you have to store it in the freezer. I'll just show you. So it looks like this and it's like liquid in it. What I do is I store it in the freezer, and when I'm sleeping at night, I'll just put it in a... This mask is really funny. I'll put it inside this, so it has this pocket. So I'll just insert this thing inside it like so, and I'll just put it in my eyes, and it helps so much in calming your nerves down and you can actually relax, and it has been helping me to sleep so much better. And if you want to use an eye cream, the eye cream that I like, see, I don't know that eye creams will actually get rid of your wrinkles or anything like that, because for that I need wrinkles to see if they are going away. So what I'll suggest you is use a really hydrating eye cream. For me, what has worked recently is the Plum Bright Eyes eye cream. I use that every night now, and it really hydrates my eyes and helps the muscles to relax. So yes, I'll suggest these two things for you. So first impression of this product doesn't work for me, but that's not my final thoughts. I'll just use it and tell you guys how it works. Next question is, please do a sugar try on haul because you purchase so many things from sugar. I will definitely do it. That is why I got all the products, but that video is probably coming on October, like 1st or 2nd October, something like that, because I schedule all my videos. So I think that is scheduled for October because all the products I want to recommend you guys for this Navratri and Durga Puja season also. So yes, that's that. The next question is, accept that birds are cute. No. And by the way, this question or this demanding question is from my friend. She owns a bird. She owns a bird. She pets a bird. She has a bird. I don't know the right way to say this. So she has a bird. For you guys who don't know, I am ornithophobic. So I am shit scared of birds. Like I freeze if a bird comes near me. So, and she has a bird and it's okay, I need to stop my makeup so that I can say this. So she has a bird. She has a parrot, which is fine until you are sending me a picture of the parrot that does not have its feather, and it's just, oh, I can't even talk about it. So it just thinking about a bird sends this crippling feeling through my spine. I can't. And she literally spammed me saying that except that birds are cute. Ooh, no. I'm really sorry for all you bird lovers. I can't. I'm really scared. Your first experience with makeup. Okay, now this is going to be interesting. So while I was growing up, I think up until I was in 10th, 11th standard, I was off makeup. It's not like something my parents said, but I did not like makeup. And I did not even use a lip balm. It was like that. And then I don't know what happened, but here we are. I absolutely hated makeup. Like, can you imagine me saying that? This is a Magic Wand waterproof concealer from Sugar. See, I'm using Sugar products, but yeah, I'll do a full face of Sugar. So in our times, 90s kids, we did not have cell phones. Like while we were growing up, we got it like after I got my first like new cell phone that was like completely mine after I passed my 10th examinations. So that is when I got my new phone, and then I got to know about YouTube. So I had zero idea what YouTube was. So I happened to open YouTube one day and I was like, oh, here we can watch videos. I had no clue that you can actually upload a video or anything like that. So I vividly remember this. So I watched a video. If I can find it, I'll just mention which video it was. It was a Shreya Jain video, guys, and she was using Lakme products. And imagine Shreya Jain using Lakme products. It was probably in the year 2013. I saw that. I was intrigued. I'm like, oh, so is she teaching how to do makeup? And I started watching all her videos. And then obviously YouTube recommends you what you were already watching, right? So I think my love for makeup started from YouTube itself. Oh wow, circle of life. The next question is, who is your bestie? So my best friend lives like right across the street from my home. Yeah, so we did schooling together, and I really don't know why do I call her my best friend, because I have been here since July and she did not come to see me. So you better look out for your position, girl. Next question is, which school? And funnily enough, a person who this is my friend from my school who asked this question. So yeah, I happen to have changed a lot of schools in my life. Firstly, my father was in army. He served the Indian Army. So yes, we were traveling a lot, especially like when I was a child. So I did not really live in Kolkata as a child. I mostly lived in Kashmir, or I went to Haryana, Rajasthan and Delhi and all of these places. So I happen to have changed a lot of schools. And also after shifting to Kolkata, because he took a VRS after Kargil War. He was in the Kargil War. So he took a VRS and we shifted to Kolkata, and then also I have shifted like 5 to 6 schools. It sucks. I don't like changing schools, but yeah. Next up, can you suggest a good vitamin C serum? I have not used a vitamin C serum. What I'll suggest you is you can try Dot & Key. I have heard really good reviews about this. I was thinking of trying it myself. So yes, I'll suggest you go for Dot & Key, or else I think there's this concentrate from Claire's. It's a bit expensive. That works great. I'm really confused which one should I get. So next question, signed up as an organ donor. No, I didn't yet, but I definitely will do. I think everybody should. If you're not, I don't know why one would be skeptical about doing this, but this is such a good deed. Imagine when you are leaving the world, you are actually doing some good to the world. So it's a very good thing. Thank you for saying that. I'll write it down in my 2021 list to do things. So the same bird obsessed friend of mine asked, what is the one thing you have learned from the difficult times in your life? Also, why do you hate birds? So as cliche as it may sound, the one thing that I have learned from my past is they don't last. And you do. So there's so much that I can say about this, but I won't. Difficult times, like everything is changing, right? Nothing is constant. So if you have this mindset, and it's a practice, it does not happen in one day. By the way, I'm using this same Faces Compact to set my face. So if you practice the mindset of not giving up or just being positive and let yourself be through it or like float through it. Yeah, so now that I think about those times, all I think is thank God I did not give up, because there's so much to life, and I know why she asked it. So yes. And another thing would be, if I have to say it, let yourself feel it. Do not restrict the bad feeling or anything. Like, we as human are functioned only to like good things, and that is where the problem lies. I think if something bad is happening to you, don't push it away. Accept it, and then accept the fact that it will go away. I'll tell you what my WhatsApp status is. I'll just read it to you. So my WhatsApp status says that, let everything happen to you, beauty and terror, no feeling is final. So I really believe in this. I think you can last through anything. So next up, we have been on a blind date. I haven't been on any date, so forget about blind date. So yes, date as in this concept of getting to know someone and going out for a date so that maybe you can be in a relationship with that person later. I haven't done that ever. Next question, again the similar. Sorry. Have gone for a date with more than one guys in it at a time. No. Is it sad? I don't know. I don't think it is. Yeah, I haven't been on an official date ever in my life. So next question, where do you live? Okay, my house is in Kolkata right now. I'm in Kolkata and I live in Pune. Okay, first eyebrows. So I'm using this new product that I got from Benefit. So this sorry. So this is 24 hours brow setter from Benefit. I wanted to get this for longest time. And also this is also new. I've been loving this one. This is Sugar Cosmetics Brow Pencil. So next up we have performed on stage. Yes, a lot of times. So I was a dancer. Like, I used to participate in everything. I also have done like school plays, if that count, but I did not enjoy plays. Those were like forced on me. So yes, I have performed on stage. Let's just do some blush. Okay, so the next question is, have you ever been unhappy about your results? All the time. Seriously, like, who is ever happy with the results? You won't believe I've seen people in my school. Like, imagine me getting a 70-75%. I'm like more than happy. So this person in my class got a 97% and crying. But I think it depends on what you work really hard on, and I would really cry if my creativity goes wrong. So yeah, I think that is what is important to me. So numbers were never important to me until and unless it's English. So the only subject I liked was English, be it literature or language. I did not really care about any other subject. Next question is, please explain the correct order of skincare products, dear, like sunscreen, emulsion, retinol. Okay, so I'll do a video dedicated to this. Now, one thing that I want to address is, a lot of you think that it's very important for you to use all these emulsions and retinols and whatever people are talking about, right? Like right now the hype is all about the chemical peels, AHA, BHA, but not everybody needs that. Just because it's in trend, it does not mean your skin requires that. You can have the most simple skincare routine in the world and still your skin can be good. But I am going to do a video on this. I'm currently trying out a product. I don't really review skincare products after using them for a week or two. I mostly take 2-3 months. Have you ever gone for a date with a famous guy? No.
I'm really feeling bad answering these questions because I feel I haven't. done all these things. But it's fine. Maybe in the future.
Never have you ever crushed on your best friend's boyfriend? Never. Never. Okay, let's just start with our eyes. I have a new palette. I can't wait to review this, guys. By the way, my nails are gross. Like, this nail has been broken from two sides. Today I will do my nails. I promise. Yes, so we are going to use this palette. So I'm going to use my paint pot as usual. Okay, so the next question is, hey, love your work. Thank you. Your eye makeup is bomb. Let's do a bomb eyeshadow right now. And been in love? I am in love. Yeah, oh, that sounded so cheesy. But yeah, I'm in a relationship. Amake ki dibi Durga Pujote, nothing happy. So I always believe that tough times don't last, only tough people do, asking the rest in DM. So what is that one memory or a time that you can look back on and give a pat on your back thinking that you were very strong? I'll tell you about a real situation that happened. As you heard, I'm scared of birds, right? But I'm hardly scared of anything else. Like, I'm not scared of snakes, I'm not scared of any such other things. And I'm not scared of blood, like, not at all. So my mother had this accident in our house only. So she actually have chopped off the whole ligament from, like, what is the area called? Basically her leg ligament, her whole ligament was just chopped. It was cut. But we did not know that. So it happened in our washroom. So she came out of the washroom and she was lying in the floor and she was saying that this happened. And so my father was basically nursing her at that time and he was stopping the blood and all. And you won't believe, it was like bloodbath. It was like draining. The blood was draining. And I believe I was in class 6 at that time, and we knew that we had to take her to the doctor or something like that, but we couldn't leave the blood flowing in the house. So I was the one who actually cleaned up the blood. It was like a bucket full of blood or something like that. I know it might sound really gross to some of you guys, but see, yes, I think that situation was interesting. My mother had this operation and she was in bed rest for 9 months straight. So it was that bad. So yeah, for this transition, I have used this yellow shade, and for this eye, I'm going to do it on camera. I'm going to take this shade, not bringing it too much on my lid, okay? So I'm just going to use very light hand. Now taking a tapered brush, I'm going to use this shade. It's a little bit darker than the other one. Now taking even smaller brush and going in with this brownish shade. So I'm just placing it or like making a fake crease. Taking a small blending brush and blending the shades in. So I took a concealer and I'm going to cut my crease, and this time all the way to the outer corners. So the eyes are nearly done. I'll do my mascara first. And for the mascara, the new one is this BADgal Bang from Benefit. This is a travel size I got free. So this is the difference. It definitely made my lashes look longer. Pretty. So I have these PAC Cosmetics lashes. I did put on a little bit of eyeliner. Somehow this lash is refusing to stick. This eyeshadow palette did have a lot of fallout though. Like quite a lot of fallout I can see. Now I'm going in with the rusty orange shade and lining my waterline. Now finally with the dark brown shade, and I'm going to smoke out the outer edges mainly. So yes, now for the waterline I'm going to take this golden pencil. Gonna top it with a lip gloss. This is the Lip Lingerie. Wait, let me show you how gross it looks. Look at this. So when I shifted to Pune, I taped everything and the glue is not coming off. It's so gross. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I loved answering your questions. Yes, I hope we're gonna do these kind of videos more if you guys like it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and also comment on this video, and don't drink unhealthy things. See you next time. Bye.